Showing on the screen is one of the withdrawal proofs we got from the no deposit bonus I am about to share with you in this video, alright, which means there's a withdrawal proof already. So if you watch this video patiently and carefully, you'll be able to get a $100 no deposit bonus that you can get and start trading with, and you can also withdraw from it, alright, because there's a withdrawal proof already, alright. So in this video, I will not be taking much of your time. I'll just go straight to the point. I'll just go straight to explaining to you guys the step-by-step process by which you can use to get the particular bonus, and also the terms and conditions to be able to withdraw from the bonus, and also how you can start trading with the bonus. Alright, so what you just have to do is to make sure you watch the video carefully so that you won't miss out on this big wonderful opportunity. Alright. And also, before I proceed, I just created a new Telegram account because the former one wasn't accessible again. Alright, so this is a brand new Telegram channel. Alright, so just use the link in the description to be a part of this particular community. If you are there before, just use the link in the description to be a part of this wonderful community. Alright, because that is where we're dropping updates now. Alright, and also do well to like this particular video, alright, and also comment the country where you're watching from, and most importantly hit that subscribe button so that you can keep getting updates from me. Alright, so like I said earlier, I will not be taking much of your time in this video, so without any further ado, let's just dive into how you can get this particular no deposit bonus to your advantage. Let's go. Towards the end of this video, I'll be talking about the terms and conditions attached to being able to get this bonus as well, so make sure you watch this video to the very end. So the first step to get this bonus is to check the description. You find the link to their website right there. Click on the link and it's going to direct you to this page right here. So you have to register. You need to do right here, input your full name, your phone number, your email address, and agree to this time, and then click on continue. So after waiting patiently for it to load, and it is going to direct you to this place right here. Right, so all you have to do is to check your email, the email you used to register. You've sent a verification code there, copy it and paste it right here, and after pasting it here, you click on confirm. So this is the code I got from them right here. I'll just copy it and then I'll paste it right here. Right, so paste it here and click on confirm, and you wait patiently for it to load. While waiting for this to load, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. And make sure you watch this video to the very end so that you don't miss out on any details you need to know about this platform. Alright, so after successfully registering an account with them, now it takes us to the second stage for getting this bonus. Alright, so the second stage to get this bonus is by downloading their app on Google Play Store. So you can either download their app by clicking on get on Play Store here right here, or Apple Store, or this app gallery. So I'm using an Android phone, so I'm going to get it on Google Play Store. As you can see right here, I have the app installed on my phone already. If you don't have the app installed, just click on install right here, and after installing the app, then you open the app. Right, so you wait for the app to load. So this is your app right here. You just input your email address right here and continue to sign in. So after inputting my Gmail, they said they send the code to my Gmail, so I'll just get the code and paste it right here to confirm my login. Alright, so after inputting the PIN, they asked me to set a setup access code that I'll be using to log in. So let's do this very quickly. You also can set any code that you want right here. So this is their home page right here after logging into their app. Alright, so to get this bonus is very simple. Just click on this menu button right here. After clicking on it, click on my profile, because we have to verify our profile identity first. And to verify identity does not take long. Just click on verify your identity right here, and you can select any type you want to use to verify. So I'm going to be going with national ID card, so I will select it right here. So after logging in, I checked if my profile has been verified, and boom, it has been verified. After few hours, so it's now up to like 2 hours, my profile got verified. So let me show you how you can get the bonus now. So just click on this menu button right here and click on bonuses right here. So you are clicking on the no deposit bonus right here, and this account, you choose the account. You'd have created one account before,
right? So once you are opening the app, they ask you to create an account. So just select the account right here and then click on accept. Then click on continue. All right. So as you can see, no deposit bonus has been credited to account. Blah 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 blah. So we've gotten the bonus already. Now don't forget to create an MT4 account, not MT5. Right. Alright, so as you can see right here, this is the bonus and it is active. Alright, so this is the details MT4 Classic. So we just have to head over to our Gmail to know if they sent our login details to him. So from the moment you create an account to them, they would have sent every single details you need to get into your MetaTrader 4 and start trading. So as you can see right here, this is my details, but I've blocked mine out for security reasons. So I'll just log into my MT4 right now and start trading the bonus.
So talking about the terms and conditions required to be able to withdraw from this particular non-deposit bonus. The terms and condition is very simple. All you have to do is just to trade 30 lot size. Alright, that is just the only terms and condition attached to being able to withdraw from the bonus. Once you meet with trading 30 lot size, then you can proceed to placing withdrawal from the no deposit bonus. That is what the person that was able to withdraw from this bonus actually did. He met with the requirements and he was able to withdraw. Alright, so if you can meet with 30 lot size as well, then you can be able to withdraw on the platform. Alright, so after talking about the terms and conditions, let me quickly show you how you can start trading with this particular bonus, which is by signing in into your trading app with the details given to you by this particular broker. Alright, so we'll be using MT4 to trade this particular bonus. So just open your MT4 and search for the broker name, which is XChief. And don't forget, we are dealing with the real account here. So select the real account, and right here you have to paste your login ID and also your password, right, which is from the details they gave you. And after pasting it, then you click on the sign in. Alright, and after clicking on that, you wait patiently for it to load. Alright, it's just going to take a few seconds, and as you can see right here, boom, our $100 is ready and we can start trading with it. Alright, so as you can see, this is it right here. You can start placing trade with this particular bonus. Alright, and you can start trading with it. Right, so you just have to meet with their requirements, which I mentioned in this video, which is by meeting 30 lot size to be able to withdraw from the opportunity. Alright, so once you meet with the requirement, then you can be able to place your withdrawal, and when you place your withdrawal, you definitely get the money in your wallet. Alright, so this is the end of this video, as I have shown you how you can get a $100 no deposit bonus, and also I showed you the terms and conditions required to be able to withdraw from this particular bonus. Alright, so don't forget to like the video, alright, and also comment the country where you're watching from, and most importantly, ensure you are in my Telegram channel, my new Telegram channel, right, so that you can keep getting the updates from me, and also hit that subscribe button so that you can keep getting updates from me. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Have a nice day.